Just how it is, and then just the trigger pull is. That is, I can't believe that is whoever designed that. Yeah, that is just awesome.
Yeah.
Wow. What were you saying? The other tricks you got on here?
So it's gain twist on the barrel, and then the coatings on it are 115 Rockwell C and a 2 friction coefficient. So it technically doesn't even need lube when you shoot.
Man, this is ridiculous.
Infinity.
Hey, yeah, girl, this is gonna be a quick video, and I ain't gonna do too much talking. All right, you see me with Bane. I took the binary trigger out of Bane and I put in a brand new CMC trigger, about 2.5 pounds on the pool. So I want to make sure it's working correctly. All right, everything works with Bane. We'll put her down. Now, what I got is a new one. This is a Spikes Tactical SBR 10.5, and I put the Fostech binary trigger in this one. Didn't want to tell everybody about this one until I got the stamp done on it. Now that it's done, now you see it, and that one's named Rogue. Also, I got Dolemite back, and I wanted to make sure Dolemite was working the way that I wanted to work. So let's make sure. And I'm gonna tell you something. It's Tula ammo. I need more brass. So that one soft primer strike, that's a common thing that I'm noticing with my American 762x39 guns. They will soft primer strike on these things. Now I got Onyx. I just got Onyx back as well. That had the Zhukov stock problem. Onyx also has a CMC trigger in it, and now this is going to be, man, I don't want to tell you what it's going to be, but it's going to be what it is. And now the Baroness, working with the Baroness now that I need to have the red dot sighted in at 12 yards. My buddy Mel has his sighted in at 12 yards to do tactical game shit. So I want mine sighted in at 12 yards so I could do tactical game shit too. All right. From this video and also shooting with my homie, I have now realized that I have my hand placement all the way wrong when it comes to shooting pistols. Having my finger on top of that trigger guard is wrong. And the way that I have my supporting hand set up is wrong. And as of today that I'm talking to you, I have redone my shit. I've learned the correct way to hold a pistol, and man, I am shooting a lot better. You'll see in the next videos that are coming up that my shooting has gotten better, it's gotten faster, and I can't wait to put that shit to the test. But things that I've done to the Baroness since this video, I have taken the large grip off and put the medium grip on to see how that felt. And also I took the goon tape off because as much as I did like the look, it just wasn't really, it wouldn't benefit me anything with that on there, so I took that shit off. No disrespect to goon tape, but it didn't work for the Baroness, but it does work on my other guns. But look, man, I'm gonna put some more videos out. I got a lot of more content with the guns. I'm gonna get back with you. Avoid the felony. Yeah.